Have you ever wanted to see yourself as an emoji? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use AR emoji on your Samsung phone. From setup to customization, I'll cover everything you need to know to start using this fun feature. So let's get started. First, open up the camera app, then tap on More. Now tap on the AR zone from the top right. Next, tap on the AR emoji camera. After that, tap on the plus icon. Here, you'll be given two options to create your AR emoji. Create emoji with camera or create emoji with image. You'll be given two options to create your AR emoji. Choose any option from here, like I'm gonna choose second one. Then tap continue. Now choose your picture from your phone's gallery. Then customize your photo size and then tap done. Now edit your emoji and tap save. When you're happy with your AR emoji, tap save from the top right side. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, leave a comment with any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Until next time.